let's study Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? It's actually a measure of the electrostatic force between 2-point charges. And remember that this is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. As you can see this in the equation in front of you, F stands for the electrostatic force, K is the Coulomb's constant, and its value is approximately 8.9 times 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. If K is equal to 1 over 4 pi E naught, so this equation becomes 1 over 4 pi E naught times Q1 times Q2 over R squared. Let's talk about the charged sphere. Charged sphere can be treated as a point charge, and we can simplify the Coulomb's law here on a charged sphere if sphere is spherical and symmetric, and we believe that the charge is uniformly distributed, and we also believe that the distance from the sphere is much greater than the sphere radius. So, according to the Coulomb's law, the electric field E due to charge Q at the distance r from the sphere is given by the equation here, which says E, which is the electric field strength, is equal to K over K times Q over R squared.
Tutoring and resources, log on to www.physicsonlinetuition.com.